Good morning, folks. I hope you people are doing well and happy Independence Day. Today, we'll be seeing a new topic named as Software Development Kit. In short, we call it SDK. So, Software Development Kit. So, what do you mean by a development kit? Kit means what? It is a set of tools, right? It is a set of tools designed to help any programming language, not just C, C++, Java, Python, any programming language that still exists, it needs a software development kit. Even the Java, Python, C, they all needed the software development kit. What was that purpose? It was the purpose of creating an software or developing a software. In the same way, there is a Windows or Android software development kit or your Linux software development kit. So there are lots and lots of software development kits for every operating system that exists nowadays. It may be a operating system for your camera, operating system for your TV, operating system for your fridge, okay, or your washing machine that is automated. Every single automatic device will have a software development kit. So, every software development kit will have some elements because kit needs elements. Obviously, the first element the software development kit requires is lots and lots and lots of books. It describes the functions, they describe the messages, the structures, the macros, as well as the other resources. So you need the first thing is books. The second thing, it also need various tools including a dialogue editor and an image editor. It requires two things that are dialogue editor and an image editor. And the third part it requires is online help files. Online help files. It requires online help files. And the fourth thing it requires is a set of Windows libraries and header files. It requires a set of Windows libraries as well as the header files. Okay, it requires Windows libraries as well as header files. Okay, so in Java it might require what do you call uh, the packages, right? In Python it might require importable packages, again importable modules. Okay, so here we need libraries because we are focusing on DOS commands and how to build Windows. Okay, we will go for Android development and other developments in the future, but we will be focusing on Windows nowadays. Okay, followed by that we are having sample Windows programs in C, because every package, every SDK, it comes with sample programs. Okay, so with that you can recreate your other applications based on those samples. So many of these things have been updated and replaced. Many of these things they have been continuously updated and they had been replaced continuously with their modern counterparts. Okay, for example, Microsoft Visual, C++, and modern combines. What it does, it combines the image editor. Image editor is there, a dialogue editor is there, help files are there, as well as other tools into it will combine it into a single package. Okay, so these packages can be used. You can simply import these packages and you can use this package. The same is true about the compiler vendors. Okay, so there are compiler vendors are the people who sell the compilers. So in our days, it was like two people named as two vendors named as Borland vendors, as well as their competitors, Symantec vendors. Okay, they were uh, inside they were like friends, but for the people they used to show that they are enemies. Inbuiltly, they are all corporates are friends in inbuilt, but outside the world they show that they are enemies, because to show that they are competing and stuff like that. Inbuilt, they are friends. Okay, the basic elements are still there. They have simply been repackaged and modernized. Okay, so the basic elements, they are still there for development of Windows or development of Java, everything. Okay, so they are still there, but they are repackaged. Okay, they are repackaged. They are like covering it with new packages or new covers. Okay, so that's what they are showing. Okay, and they are modernized. Okay, according to the modern world, they are repackaging it. The latest incarnation of this tool is Windows 64 SDK. Okay, nowadays it is 64 SDK or 128 SDK or any other SDK is possible. So the latest is Windows 64 or 128. Okay, and previously it was Windows 32 Software Development Kit. Okay, because in our times it was Windows 32. In your times it is 64 or 128. So that's it, folks. Keep learning, keep teaching, and uh, keep building something better. Uh, Sayonara.